Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing an exclusive offer from Bluehost that comes with a fantastic coupon promo code. By clicking the link provided in the video description, you can avail a generous 75% discount and a free domain. In case the link doesn't direct you as expected, simply copy and paste it into your browser, then hit enter to unlock these incredible savings. Now let's dive into today's topics. What is multi-site? Once multi-site is activated, you can create a network by building as many subdomains or subdirectories on your site as you like, or by inviting others to register with your site and build their own WordPress websites within the network. In this structure, your original WordPress website serves as the nexus for all the sites that make up your network, and you, as the webmaster for the main site, serve as the administrator for the entire network, a position that some call the super admin. Individual site owners can also act as the WordPress admin for their own subdomain sites, but they won't have the ability to make network-wide changes that originate from the main site. Only the super admin can do that. Who needs multi-site? Having a network of connected sites is not necessary for most individual site owners or businesses. Adding contributors to the site or linking to content created on related sites can create the only kind of networking they need. But maintaining a network of sites that can be managed from just one main WordPress installation can be useful for a wide range of purposes, including education. Education portals can create a single hub site that hosts the websites of multiple instructors or classes so that students can get a consistent experience across all of them. And instructors don't need to direct students to their own personal sites. Multi-site can also be useful for training users in coding and other aspects of web design and development, by making it possible to set up multiple test sites under one master site for applying design concepts or trying out new approaches. Creating an internal business network. A company with multiple employees or contractors who deal independently with customers or clients, such as sales personnel or realty agents, might use multi-site to allow each of these professionals to set up an individual site under the brand of the main site. Activating multi-site in WordPress. Activating multi-site in a new or existing WordPress site requires inserting a line of code from the WordPress codex into the site's 𝗟𝗶𝗺𝗶𝗀𝗋○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○○ and is placed above the last line of code in the file. Once multi-site is activated, it appears as an option on the site's main admin dashboard under Tools Network Setup. Select the multi-site option to begin customizing the new network settings, including its name, administrator, and whether sites on the network will run as subdomains or subdirectories under the main site, a decision that affects the URL structure and behavior of the sites that will be added to the network. What is multi-site hosting, and who needs it? Imagine having the power to oversee multiple websites, all from a single centralized dashboard. Multi-site hosting empowers you to create a network of interconnected websites, whether for personal projects, business ventures, or creative endeavors. By harnessing this capability, you streamline updates, manage users with finesse, and optimize resource usage. In essence, multi-site hosting is your gateway to efficiently managing several websites under one umbrella. It's particularly beneficial for agencies, educational institutions, and even passionate bloggers exploring various niches. Each site within the network maintains its distinct identity, yet benefits from a shared pool of resources and administration.